Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to solder, or it is a soldering tutorial. So let's get started. First, take your soldering iron and plug it in until wait until it gets heated. So my iron is heated up. Let me show you how to solder. I will take this motor and these wires. So let's solder it. Better you use a soldering flux. It will help in soldering quickly. You can solder without this flux. Take this, and this is the wire you will melt and will solder it. Then hold it like this and just press this until it gets melted over the thing, and see, it is soldered. Now it is soldered. So let me test. This battery is dead, so it is not working. So thanks for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe my channel, and okay, bye.